In this video, we will show you how to swap the iGrow800 integrated panel front face. Now, to do this task, you would simply open up the panel, and with the panel open, you want to make sure that you shut down all power sources that supply power to this control board. And if you have any communications plugged into this S communication module, like RS-485 wiring for your controller network or Ethernet plugged in, make sure you detach the wiring from that first. And once you have that wiring detached, to swap out the panel, you would simply just one by one pop these blue relays, because these blue relays are pin secured. You do not have to detach all this wiring. And once you have your blue relays popped off, you would simply get either a Phillips head screwdriver or a small drill driver like this, and just take off the 4 set screws that are securing the door, or that is securing the front panel to the door. And once you get all 4 screws out, excuse me, wrong screw. The front face just simply pops off just like that. And now if you had to go and basically take that face and set it in for maintenance and repair or warranty, we would send you another panel or your repaired front panel, and to reinstall it, just simply you would do it in reverse. And once you have all your 4 controller face set screws in, just go ahead and put your blue relay back on the back of the printed circuit board. And then plug in your Ethernet or reattach your RS-485 network, and you're good to go. And just simply power up your breakers and you're all set. And that's our video in swapping out the iGrow800 front panel with the iGrow800 integrated panel assembly.